Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's update on Tropical Storm Calvin. So, Tropical Storm Calvin is nearing Hawaii, and as of 5 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, Tuesday, July the 18th, Tropical Storm Calvin has maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,003 millibars, and is moving west at 21 miles per hour. Looking at the latest key messages for Tropical Storm Calvin, Calvin is forecast to pass south of Hawaii County tonight, bringing a period of flash flooding, dangerous surf, and damaging winds. Calvin is expected to weaken as it moves westward to the south of the other Hawaiian islands Wednesday and Wednesday night, bringing the potential for some peripheral impacts. Looking at the latest cone for Tropical Storm Calvin from the National Hurricane Center, Tropical Storm Calvin is expected to pass to the south of the Big Island of Hawaii during the next 12 hours, and then move west-southwest of Hawaii by Wednesday afternoon, and is expected to dissipate over the central Pacific Ocean by early Friday morning. We have a tropical storm warning in effect for the entire Big Island of Hawaii, and tropical storm force winds are knocking on the door of the Big Island of Hawaii. In this next part of the video, we're going to be timing out the winds and the rain across Hawaii. So this is 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, so subtract 5 hours from this. This is 7 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. We're already seeing tropical storm force winds across much of the Hawaiian Islands, including some 41-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Honolulu and 42-mile-per-hour wind gusts near Kahului. And then as we go through the next several hours, as Tropical Storm Calvin nears the Big Island, the winds are going to increase. By 10 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, the mountainous areas of the Big Island and the northern island here could be seeing hurricane force wind gusts by 10 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. And going into 11 midnight 1 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, hurricane force wind gusts are going to be continuing across the mountainous areas of the Big Island of Hawaii and to the island just to the north. And winds could be gusting near 50 miles per hour in Kahului and near 40 in Honolulu. Going into 2, 3, 4 a.m., we could be seeing wind gusts of 50 miles per hour in Kahului, and then tropical storm to hurricane force wind gusts continuing across most of the Hawaiian Islands. By 4 a.m., 5, 6, 7 a.m., the tropical storm force winds continue, and even as we go into tomorrow, around 10, 11, and noon tomorrow, tropical storm force wind gusts are going to still be likely across the northern islands of Hawaii and the mountainous areas of the Big Island of Hawaii. So make sure you're preparing for several hours of tropical storm force winds if you live across the Hawaiian Islands from Calvin. Now timing out the rainfall. Timing out the rainfall from Calvin across the Hawaiian Islands. We are already seeing some light rain moving into the Big Island of Hawaii around Hilo, and the rain is only going to increase over the next several hours. By around 11 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, we're going to see moderate to heavy rain moving across the eastern half of the Big Island, including Hilo, and then going into midnight, we could be seeing heavy rain across much of the Big Island of Hawaii. Going into 1, 2, 3 a.m., very heavy rain is going to be falling across the Big Island of Hawaii, leading to a flooding threat. Going into 4, 5 a.m., heavy rain continues across the Big Island of Hawaii. Several hours of heavy rain, and as we go into around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, the rain will begin to subside as Calvin begins to move west of Hawaii, but still, showers are going to move across the big islands, the islands with Kalahuli and Honolulu by 9, 10, even 11 a.m. tomorrow. Could still be seeing rain showers in the area before the rain mostly ends by tomorrow afternoon. So if you live across Hawaii, make sure you are making last-minute preparations and battening down the hatches for Tropical Storm Calvin, as impacts are already ongoing and conditions are going to only deteriorate over the next 12 hours. Thanks for watching this evening's update on Calvin. Make sure you stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.